What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Review Brian coming at you with blind review number 325. Pretty excited about this one today. This is from two blind brothers. They send some sort of unboxing gift boxes here that you don't know what they are. On the website, there's basically 4 different price tiers. I went with the second from the bottom price tier. This went ahead and came in the mail. It took actually quite some time to come in the mail, so that wasn't nice. So it says here, not all heroes wear capes, some wear two blind brothers, so not sure exactly what that means, but I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing now. It comes with some black, sort of, you can't really see into it, I guess that's kind of the idea. This review is going to be double blind, so I'm going to wear blindfold while unboxing the blind box. If you want to go ahead and make it a triple blind review, you can go ahead and put your blindfolds on at home right now. So I'll give you a second to get that out and on. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the blindfolds on. Probably cut this part out if I can figure out how to do that later. Alright, so now totally can't see anything whatsoever. Oh, except hope it did fell open. Let me just get this closed here. Alright, so these are pretty sort of top quality blindfolds here, not your average ones. So I can't see anything. Where are you going to throw some? Can't see anything on or at all when I got these on, so don't mess with me while I got these on. Am I holding it the right side up?
Yes.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and open up the, do an unboxing of the blind box now and do a review. Go ahead and open this. Alright, so there seems to be several items in here. I'm just going to go ahead and pick something out. This is a piece of paper here. Maybe it's like a receipt or some sort of label. I don't know exactly what it says. Pretty low quality paper stock here. I can feel that it's bent. Again, no idea what the color or of this paper is or if there's anything written on it due to my blindfold. So now I'm going to keep going. So this is, I'm going to guess, so when I was checking out on the website, it asked me what my shirt size was, so that was kind of maybe a giveaway. I'm going to guess this is a shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and open up. It's in another plastic container here. So it's got a tag on it. I'm guessing it's a shirt. So I have no idea if I'm holding this. I think I'm holding this the right way up. This appears to be the collar, I think. Is that the right way? Mm-hmm. Alright, so feels pretty hefty, good cotton material, pretty thick, pretty nice. Might have some polyester. Again, I have no idea what color or if there's anything written on here that's clever or funny or has to do with blind things. I don't know anything about the shirt other than the way it feels. So I'm just going to put that over here. Got another piece of paper here, so I'm guessing this may be like a decal or some sort of sticker to show off that I bought this, maybe from a car. It says like, I got a blind box. I don't know what this says. So again, no idea what that is. Okay, so we got some, it appear to be socks. It did not ask my foot size, so again, I don't know what it is other than just socks. So if they're colored or something, I don't know. Keep going. So we got I guess it's another pair of socks. So that's, if they're going for a surprise, that's a surprise. So 2 pairs of socks. I don't know anything more than appear to be tube socks. I don't know. And we have another pair of socks. So I was hoping for like maybe some sort of electronics or some sort of like gadgetry or cooking utensil thing or anything, but it's more socks. And the final item is another pair of socks. I believe they're socks. So we got 4 pairs of socks, a shirt, what I believe to be a decal. Again, no idea if there's what color these are or what if they're meant to be a set. I don't understand that aspect of it, and that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and anyway. I would give this probably a 1 or a 2. I'd give this a 1.5 out of 10. That's a blind box unboxing score while blind score. I'm gonna give it a cited score in a second because to me this is like a shirt and 4 socks. It doesn't seem worth it unless these are like really special or collectible. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the blindfold now. All right, so the shirt, I'll check that out first. It says nothing whatsoever on it, so we got.
And you're literally wearing
similar to what I'm wearing now. Oh, I do notice it has some braille, so I can't actually
that's cool.
read braille. I'm gonna guess it says. I'll put later on the screen here what it says in English. It's I don't know, maybe blind, and I guess that helps you know what side to put on the shirt. And then we got some socks here in different colors. We got yellow, pink, green, and red. And I'm actually going to downgrade the score to a 1. That's the cited score. It's got some information here, probably trying to make me feel good about the purchase. And then, yeah, I thought this was going to be a cool decal for my car or compact SUV, but it's just a receipt. So, yeah, anyway, that's the unboxing of the blind box from 2 blind brothers. And make sure to hit that like button if you'd like to see blind or double blind or triple blind unboxings. And don't forget to subscribe. Hello everybody, so quick tack on to my last video there. I read a little bit about it and it is for charity, so it's to help find a cure for blindness. So I feel a little bit bad about the 1 and 1.5 score that I gave it. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade that to a 5, just right there, right down the middle there on that one. So good cause, and yeah, so that's all I have to add to that one. Thank you. What's up, everybody? Same video. I just want to tack this on. Read a little bit more about it. 100% of the proceeds do go ahead and go to charity for helping blind people and finding a cure for the blind, or that's people with blindness. And so I just want to go ahead and upgrade that score to a 10. That's a feel-good blind unboxing score. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade that one. So, all right, thank you.